These rust removal AI videos are getting millions of views on TikTok and YouTube Shorts right now. What if you could create the same type of content and start building your own AI automation channel too? In this video, I'm breaking it down step by step from start to finish, showing you exactly how to create this kind of content. So pay close attention, because if you're looking for views, massive cash out potential, and truly scroll-stopping content, this might be it. First, I already generate a master prompt to make the flow a lot more easier. All you have to do is paste it into ChatGPT and click Generate. Within seconds, ChatGPT gives you 10 ultra-realistic AI video prompts. They're structured, cinematic, and optimized to create those satisfying, hyper-realistic transformations people can't stop watching. Now copy any one of those prompts and head over to FlexClip AI. Once you're inside, navigate to the AI Tools section and select AI Video Generator. Switch the option to text to video, then choose the video model as Google Veo 3.1 Fast. Next, paste your prompt into the prompt box. Select the aspect ratio as 9:16 for Shorts and TikTok. Choose your preferred video duration, and then generate. Now simply repeat the same process for the rest of the 10 prompts. One by one, you're building an entire batch of ready-to-post viral content. You can also generate it using Grok AI. From the interface, navigate to the Imagine option. Copy any of the prompts from ChatGPT and paste it into Grok AI. Make sure it's set to generate an image in your desired aspect ratio. Once you generate it, you'll get several realistic outputs to choose from. Select the one you like and click on the Make Video option. Then use the same prompt you used for the image to generate the video. And just like that, you'll have a clean and realistic result ready to go. If you found this helpful, make sure you like and subscribe. We're on a mission to reach 1,000 subscribers this month, and every single one of you makes a difference.